Hello, so today I'm gonna be reviewing a 32 GB MP3 player. Yes, I like to be old school sometimes, but good first impression. It's a great box. It's a nice gift box right here, and just gonna unbox it, get straight into what's on here. So that's the MP3 player. That's really tiny. That's what I wanted. It's really handy, and it's metal. Oh, it's also got an external speaker right here, and let's turn this on in a little bit. And it has a little pouch to store it, and then it also comes with a what's this, an armband. Oh, it also comes with some earphones, then all your essentials, cables, and your instruction manual right there. So that's the MP3 player right here. It's got two buttons here. Let's see. Oh, there you go. It said welcome on there. Okay, so there's your icons, settings, Bluetooth, some music. Oh, it's also got a pedometer and alarm clock, and it's very sleek. And that's where the external SD card you can chip in if you'd like. I think it goes up to 128 GB with 32 GB built in. And that's the volume. The M is the main menu, your navigation here, OK, back, and then this to lock it. And again to unlock it. So this is really sleek. Like you could see, that's the size of the MP3 player compared in my hand. It's just the size of a palm, but it's very solid, rigid built. It's metal, so it feels pretty good, but surprisingly it's very lightweight too. It's not that heavy at all. So that's your MP3 player. That's all your accessories right there. So if just thought I was gonna help someone out there that's considering buying a MP3 player.